Welcome back to the Soul Dashboard.
My name is Johann, and today we're focusing on an essential task: managing your contacts to keep your client and supplier information accurate and up to date.
To begin, navigate to the Contacts section on the left-hand menu. This view allows you to manage all relationships, whether they are clients or suppliers, and includes options for search and bulk upload. To add a new contact, click the Manual Contact button in the top right corner. On the new client-supplier form, the first critical step is to select the contact type, either client or supplier. This determines how their transactions are tracked in the app. Next, fill in the contact's personal and business details. This includes their name, email, phone number, and physical address. We also recommend including their business name and ABN where applicable. For effective financial tracking, ensure you fill out the client-supplier bank account details section, including the account holder name, BSB, and account number. Once all the information is entered, click the Save button. You will see a confirmation that the contact added successfully, and you will return to your contacts list. The new client is now visible. From here, you can easily view or edit their information. Clicking the View icon brings up the client information card, which summarizes their contact details and shows their transaction history, including invoices, bank matches, expenses, and assets. If you need to make changes, clicking the Edit icon allows you to quickly update any field and save the changes. Maintaining accurate contact records is vital for professional invoicing and efficient bookkeeping. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.